Gangrene. T is macroscopic death of tissue in situ, in continuity with adjacent viable tissue. With putrefaction, there will be loss of function also. Sites, limbs, appendix, bowel, testes, gallbladder. Causes: secondary to arterial occlusion like atherosclerosis, emboli, diabetes, tau, Raynaud's disease, ergots. Infective: boil, carbuncle, gas gangrene, Fournier's gangrene, cancrum oris. Traumatic: direct, indirect. Physical: burns, scalds, frostbite, chemicals, irradiation, electrical. Venous gangrene. Clinical features: color changes, pallor, grayish, purple, brownish black due to disintegration of hemoglobin to sulfide. Absence of pulse, loss of sensation, loss of function. Line of demarcation between viable and dead tissue by a band of hyperemia and hyperesthesia along with development of a layer of granulation tissue. Gangrene foot with ischemic ulcer. Dry gangrene, great toe. Gangrene of foot and leg. Note the line of demarcation. But skip lesion proximally shown signifies more proximal spread of gangrene which may need above knee amputation. In dry gangrene the separation occurs by aseptic ulceration with minimum infection and the gangrene is dry and mummified. In wet gangrene, separation takes place by septic ulceration. Often demarcation is vague with skip lesions more proximally and so landing with higher level of amputations. Even after amputation skin flap may show dieback process, leading to failure of taking up a flap of amputation and so requiring still higher level of amputation. Proximal ischemic features may be present with rest pain, color changes, hyperesthesia, pregangrene. B types of gangrene. XX dry gangrene is due to slow, gradual loss of blood supply to the part causing dry, desiccated, wrinkled, mummified part with proper line of demarcation from the viable adjacent tissues. XX wet gangrene is due to infection with putrefaction, causing edematous, swollen, discolored part, spreading proximally, with vague line of demarcation from the adjacent viable tissues. Investigations: Hb%, blood sugar, arterial Doppler, angiogram, Seldinger technique, CT angiogram. US abdomen to find out the status of aorta. Ischemic features of right hand, compared to left side which is normal. Differences between dry gangrene and wet gangrene. Dry gangrene. Clear line of demarcation is seen: dry, shriveled, mummified. Slow, gradual loss of blood supply. Separation is by aseptic ulceration. Limits to the demarcation causes are atherosclerosis, thromboangiitis obliterans, TAO. Wet gangrene, moist. Line of demarcation is vague. Oedematous, putrefied, discolored, H2S, sudden loss of blood supply. Septic ulceration causes separation can extend proximally rapidly. Emboli, trauma are the causes. Treatment: limb-saving methods, drugs, antibiotics, vasodilators, pentoxifylline, praxilina, dipyridamole, small dose of aspirin, ticlopidine. Care of feet and toes: 3/4. The part has to be kept dry. 3/4. 3/4. Any injury has to be avoided. Proper footwear is advised: microcellular rubber footwear, MCR. Measures for pain relief is taken. Nutrition supplementation is done. 3/4. The limb should not be warmed. Pressure areas has to be protected. 3/4. Localized pus has to be drained. Cause is treated. Diabetes is controlled. Surgeries to improve the limb perfusion, lumbar sympathectomy or mentoplasty, profundoplasty, femoropopliteal thrombectomy or endarterectomy, arterial graft bypass are done according to the need. Life-saving procedures. Amputations may have to be done often. Level of amputation is decided on skin changes, temperature, line of demarcation, Doppler study. Below knee amputation is a better option as BK prosthesis can be fitted better and also the movements of knee joint are retained. There is no need of external support and limb is absent. In above knee amputation range of movements are less, limb is present, and often requires third, stick support to walk. Different amputations done are ray amputation, below knee amputation, Buerger's amputation, Gritti-Stokes transgenial amputation, above knee amputation. Lisfranc's, Chopard's, Symes, modified Symes amputations are not commonly used in ischemic limb as flaps will not survive. Diabetic foot and